lot of people spend money on video editing tools just to turn long-form videos into short, engaging reels. Others spend hours manually cutting clips, searching for the best moments to use on social media. But what if you could do all of that with Claude? All you need is the Video Reels skill. Simply upload your long-form video and its transcript to Claude, and it will identify the best moments, create reel-worthy clips, and present you with export options. You can even specify exactly how you want the videos formatted, including the aspect ratio and dimensions. For example, Claude asked whether I wanted to keep the clips in landscape format or create a 9:16 vertical version for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. I requested both, and it delivered both versions automatically. The result? Within minutes, I had ready-to-publish short-form content extracted from a longer video. This is especially useful if you have customer testimonials that you want to turn into persuasive social proof clips, webinar recordings that contain valuable insights, podcast episodes with standout moments, YouTube videos that need promotional snippets for social media, product demonstrations that can be repurposed into engaging short-form content. Instead of manually editing videos or paying for additional clipping software, Claude can generate as many reels as you need, optimized for the platforms you're targeting and delivered in the formats you specify. If you're creating content regularly, this can save hours of editing time while helping you produce a steady stream of short-form videos designed to capture attention and drive engagement.